Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget Wint. If this is the first time we're meeting, and for those who are coming back, welcome back. I appreciate your support and the fact that many of you are interested in my building journey here in Zambia, Africa. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how much it cost me to paint the outside of my house. I love how the colors came out, and if you're interested in knowing the numbers, then stay tuned.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Look at me sweating. It is really, really hot, and the drought continues. Look at my maize. This is how sorry my maize is looking. Some of it is not so bad over there. This is the drought.
Two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
I love the colors I chose. Look at that. So there's a coffee brown at the bottom and a dark brown at the very bottom, and then an orange yellow at the top, and my red one.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top,
Going to demonstrate how they use this chalk line.
Imiani hapo naika pale. Masa kumsa chumba ofisi.
Chalk line now shows where the line is. Ripe guava in there. Let's see if we can get it out. Apparently everybody has been eating my guavas except for me. I didn't even know they were ripe. Nobody told me, except they're mine. juicy and sweet. Here are my chilies. I haven't had a single chili. I think I am going to put in some food today. We call it chili here, but it's pepper. And this is how the house looks at the moment. The man is diligently painting over there. He wants to finish tomorrow, and I think he's gonna do it. Beautiful sunset. The moon is out. Quarter moon at this point, and the sun is just going down. This is the beauty of Zambia for you. Doing final touches to the house. Not sure what they are doing there, but I have a keen eye for straight lines, and if something is off, I'm not for it. And they did a good job with a lot of stuff, but there were some lines that are completely off, and I think they are painting above and trying to prevent drip, so he's up there doing that. Okay. There's my beautiful house. I love it. These are broken tiles. So this is the frame they use for those things that I just showed you. And this is the process. These guys are so talented. Look at these guys. Okay.
Yeah.
So mixture yanu ni what's the proportions hapa?
Hapa ni tutatenga building sand na fine quad.
Why did you run out? Oh, my customer wabwera. So building sand?
Na fine quad.
Na fine quarry, and how much cement? My proportions in Jan, 1 to 1.
Cement tunafaka po half.
Oh.
Tulipetia mapati. Ngatifunza mongali so.
So ate?
Ngati monga tuna isire yonse mongali ngati nini so. Cement ili.
Oh, 2 buckets of cement for this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ikatoka hapa kuvet my question first. Nipanga chinkali smooth. Plaster na cement foot. Yasiwe plaster na cement lipe tufaka kwa marekala.
That's when they put the color after the cement is smoothed out. And so that's the end product. Very good. decided to support them and I bought 4 of them. You are going to jump there. Na iwe uzajumpa. Manje chikapwanyika. Look at what they are jumping here with heavy stuff. Nifuna nione ujumpe hapa. Oh my goodness. So they are removing it from the mold. Look at that. Wow.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
We are mixing chicken manure with soil. Looks like there's a lot of maggots there. I'm not sure about this, but I think it's supposed to be good for it.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
We need some water for watering those new plants, and this is the borehole. We use a hand pump to do this. It's going in. And there it is in evening light. What do you think? Should I change the color of the gate, the garage doors, or leave it as is? Thank you for spending this time with me. I wish you God's blessings, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Never sleep, never stop.